Well, hello my friends. Today we're going to be reviewing my new bike, and that is the Yamaha Virago 535. Beautiful looking bike. This one right here, it's a 95 the 1995 model, but it only has like 15,000 kilometers. That's extremely low. I know this because when I bought the bike, the wheel, the front wheel, well, the front wheel was also from 95, so that means the kilometers here are real. Nobody messed up with that. So this is my Yamaha Virago 535. It has a 535 cubic centimeters engine. It's very light. It's very easy to drive. You know, for a beginner like me, it's incredible, this bike. And if you want to buy something like a small cruiser, and of course you do not have the money for a Harley Davidson or an Indian or something bigger, or you're just a beginner like me, this is a perfect bike for you. I mean it. It has the power, it's light, it has 46 horsepower, and that's a lot. And some people, my friend with whom I picked this bike up, said he doesn't like it because it has a drive shaft. It does not have a chain. And for me that's great, because a chain, you have to maintain it properly, you always have to lube it, there's a lot of maintenance on a chain. But on a drive shaft, there's not much to do. Just once every 3 years the drive shaft oil change, and that was it. Please excuse my bad English. I haven't spoken English in a very long time. I'm a Romanian and I live in Germany, and there are a lot of languages with which I have to speak, so yeah. So besides this review for my bike, while we are riding, until I find a place to stop and look at the bike, I just wanted to say, at the very moment when I'm recording this video, I still can get out of the house. How you see, there are a lot of people outside, but not more than 2 in a group, because more than 2 it's restricted because of this coronavirus. In Bayern, in the state of Bavaria, there is it's quarantine. You are not allowed to leave your house, only if you're going to work and you have a special paper that you'll become from work, or if you are going to a doctor, or if you need to buy something for your home. But they're like just a little bit out or something, you are not allowed to go, and that sucks. That sucks really. Look at this, it really has the power, man. for a beginner it's perfect, really perfect. It's very comfortable. I mean, it's really comfortable, and I really enjoy it. So about that coronavirus, I still can enjoy a sunny day like this with my bike, but who knows how long. I hope they will not do that restriction here that you are not allowed to get out of the house, but if it comes, it comes. I will be able to do another video after this whole madness goes away. But I have to admit that Germany really took this serious. They have a lot of testing stations and everything, you know. The state really was organized. And if you look to my own country in Romania, there is a real catastrophe. I mean, the government there, they're just a bunch of idiots, and what should I say more? So Yamaha Virago 535, I have to look at how many people are out there. My, there are really a lot of them. I want to find a place just to wait and look at the bike so you can see it. After I bought it, I did a oil change, shaft drive oil change. So for this bike right here, I paid 2,000 euros. And I really can say that's not much, because the other ones that I've seen did have a lot more kilometers, and you know, they didn't look like this. You know, I can say that this is my favorite color, but it is how it is. What can you do? Look at this power. I really like this bike. It is actually working pretty well, you know. Is this a road? Oh, this is a bus stop. I can stop right here. Man, I'll just have to keep going. I really have to say, I wasn't with this bike on the highway until since I bought it, but I've seen in other videos that it really works on highway. I mean, it does have 46 horsepower, so it has to. I've been driving it not on the highway, on the street once with 120, and it was, I mean, it was normal. The engine didn't have to push itself to the limit for 120 kilometers per hour. Like, that's like 70 miles per hour for the people which are using the mile, which I never understood. I'm sorry. So it really goes perfect for the city. It does go on the highway. I mean, I have to stop right here. Well, I hope it holds until home. You can actually see. I cannot stay here much longer, so we'll have to go and find another spot to watch at the bike, the parking spot. We can just hold on here for a moment. So look at this beautiful looking bike. I hope you can see it. I'm not able to see it until the editing. Really nice, really nice. 535 V2 engine. It has a pretty decent sound to it, so It has a drum on the back, but that's enough. I mean, it does, if you push it too hard, it does block the rear wheel, but you don't have the really that the same feedback, you know, like on a disc brake. Oh man. Running out of gas. I think